We've made a few woodland creatures and objects. And so mushrooms. Have you made meringue mushrooms before?
I have never made those.
Well, they're fun to make, and when they're really nicely made, they look so cute, so realistic.
Yeah.
I'm having these dry upside down on an egg carton just so, and making them is so easy. Use a Swiss or Italian meringue.
Okay.
And a big tip, like a half-inch tip. And for the tops of the mushrooms, the caps, you can make the caps smaller or bigger.
Do you pat down the top as well?
Oh, I do with ice water,
okay,
just with my finger.
Some water.
Yeah,
okay.
Just make them look kind of natural.
Got it.
Let's see, they're looking good. They are so effective as woodland objects. And then for the stems, just this way and up.
Okay, so a little dollop, and then you like just bring it up like that. Okay.
Shorter stems, longer stems.
Okay.
Just leave them pointed like that.
What do you bake these at?
Low, about 300 degrees, and leave them in until they are totally dry. And turn it off and let them stay in overnight even.
Oh, really?
So you want a really dry mushroom. Here's a stem and a top.
Okay.
To make these are a little bit moist because of the humidity today. And I'm putting a little ganache on the tip of my stem and then just sticking this right in. Now that will stay. It will hold up nicely.
And then to dry on here.
Right on here.
Okay.
But see how nicely the upside down egg carton looks?
Yeah, it's beautiful. Yeah, great idea.
It's great. And you can dust them with cocoa like this.
Okay.
And there's your little mushroom.
Okay, yeah.
Looks like
it
looks
like a mushroom.
In the dirt. They're really cute. Then there's all other things for woodland. These are green Italian pistachios.
Beautifully green.
So this can be, you can embellish one of those cupcakes if you like.
Yeah, I would love to.
Yeah.
I'd also love to eat one of these.
Yeah. You can also use chocolate shavings. These are chocolate shavings. So this will look like dirt on top of your,
smart.
On top of your earth.
Okay.
To make that so easy, just use a potato peeler, look.
Okay.
And just go like this on a bar of really good chocolate. So simple.
Okay.
So simple. You don't have to melt it.
To get it off.
Now to form some of these creatures. This is the cutest little hedgehog.
Very cute.
So that's just a light colored marzipan, slightly tan.
Okay.
And a darker marzipan, textured. You make the body of the little creature.
Okay,
here.
yeah, let's do this.
Here, put a little powdered sugar.
It may not look as good as yours, but we're going to give it a shot.
Put a little powdered sugar on your fingers.
Oh, okay, smart.
You can make a creature as large or as small as you like.
Okay. I'm going to try and follow yours.
And make a cap that goes over it. See, that's his back.
Oh, okay.
And see, it's naturally crackling. You need little eyes, make two little eyes, and a tiny little speck on his nose, look. And then you can use a toothpick to texture, and they're delicious.
I love the nuttiness of it.
So he can sit right up here. It's cute.
Yeah, I love that.
Acorn's the same thing. You make a little pointy acorn, and the top can be textured again with a toothpick. And so there, you have a nice little acorn.
Beautiful.
That too can be just put right on top. And I don't want to forget a leaf tip too. Leaves are really pretty to make. This is a leaf tip.
Leaf tip, okay.
And so that makes a pretty leaf.
Oh, I like that.
Yeah, so it's just a question of using your hand.
That's beautiful.
And you can cover the whole thing with a leaf.
Beautiful.
Yeah, woodlandy. Everything should be chilled. Everything should be kept cold. Now, oh, and the pièce de résistance is this fabulous pine cone. What do you think?
Beautiful.
See, this is an almond cake.
Okay.
And so the cake itself is cut with this egg-shaped cookie cutter.
Okay.
And you bake the sheet cake. Then you cover it with a chocolate ganache. And then this would take you quite a while to stick all these sliced almonds in the cake. You can put a
lot
little
of texture too.
Yeah, this is so pretty, and he can even be sitting on top right there. You can do whatever.
Yeah, oh, I love
and you
that.
can also put a little bit of this on the plate. Now, if you want, do you want to take some of these back?
I would love to take that.
I'll give you a little
Don't
baggie.
tell the other contestants.
I won't. I won't. You can steal this from me. But look how pretty that looks.
No, it's gorgeous.
These are the little tiny, tiny touches that make cake decorating just a pleasure.
Thanks, Martha.